Okay, so B part 3, hence or otherwise solve g of x is equal to 0. From part 2 we discovered that g of x had the form x minus 1 to be squared minus 2. So if we want to solve this thing, we set it equal to 0, and we can work with algebra, no problem. X minus 1 to be squared is equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to root 2. And don't forget, every time you get a root, it's plus and minus. So finally, x equals plus or minus root 2 plus 1. And just to reverse that, keep the plus and minus in between these two here. It's 1 plus or minus root 2. That's the first way to do it. The second way to do it, if you wish, is to multiply this thing out and use minus b. And just to show you get exactly the same answer, if I multiply this thing out here, I get x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2, which gives me x squared minus 2x minus 1. Now notice, you can't factorize this. There's no factors of 1 that subtracted 2. There's no factors of 1 with a difference of 2. So we can't use just ordinary factors and solve the factors. We have to use minus b. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 1. So when we fit that into b plus or minus squared of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, we get the following. We get 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 1, all over, be careful with that, all over 2 times 1. That breaks down to give you 2 plus or minus root 8 all over 2. Now root 8, get it as a surd. Tap it into the calculator, press equals, just see what happens. Because when you do that, it becomes 2 root 2. So 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 2. And remember the golden rule, all or nothing. Can I simplify by 2? Only if I can simplify all by 2. And I can in this case. 1 plus or minus root 2. And it's exactly the same answer as over here.